What are variables and expressions? Easy algebra for everyone. Hey there, math stars. Today we're going to learn something super exciting in algebra, variables, and expressions. Do you like puzzles? Do you like secrets? Well, guess what? Variables are like secret codes in math.
What is a variable? A variable is just a letter that stands for a number. We don't always know the number right away. So we use a letter like X, Y, or Z until we solve it. It's like saying X equals something we need to figure out.
Real-life example, cupcake mystery. Imagine you have 2 cupcakes, and your friend brings some more in a box. We don't know how many, so we say X cupcakes. Now you have 2 plus X cupcakes. That's called an expression.
What is an expression? An expression is a math sentence that has numbers, letters which are called variables, and operations like plus, minus, times, or divide. But no equal sign. These are all expressions. X plus 3. 2y minus 1. For plus a. Be divided by 2. Little math stories waiting to be solved.
Fun visual game. Match the expression. It means 3 cupcakes plus some unknown number of cupcakes. This means you had some money, then you spent $2.
Why variables are cool. Variables help us write problems quickly and solve tricky puzzles. They're used by engineers, astronauts, and game designers.
Quick recap. A variable is a letter that stands for a number. An expression is a math sentence with numbers, variables, and operations. We use them to solve everyday math problems.
Wasn't that fun? Now you know what variables and expressions are. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to channel for more awesome math fun. And leave a comment below. Can you write your own expression using a variable?